Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the ever-changing world of social media. Today, we're going to explore how to find all the activity you're tagged in on Facebook using your PC. This is especially useful if you want to keep track of posts, photos, and comments where you've been mentioned. To get started, open Facebook on your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to access your profile settings. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. Click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Scroll down this page until you see Activity Log. Click on it to view all your recent activities on Facebook. In the Activity Log section, you'll see a menu on the left side labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this menu, click on Activity You're Tagged In. This will display all the posts, photos, and comments where you've been tagged. You can scroll down to see everything, and you can even filter the results by date, people, or audience if you need to narrow down your search. Finding tagged activity is not just about keeping track of what others are saying about you. It's also a great way to manage your online presence. You can review each post, decide whether you want to keep the tag, or remove it if necessary. Additionally, you can report any tags that you find inappropriate. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to stay on top of all the activity you're tagged in on Facebook. Whether it's a funny photo from a friend or a comment on a post, you'll be able to see it all in one place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your social media presence.